It's festival time coming up and everybody is in a mood of joy and happiness. This is a time when everybody wants to keep their loved ones really happy and they try to get the best gifts for their loved ones. Most of them love gifting something really unique, traditional and ethnic. And this is a time when most of the people loves buying the Indian wear for their loved ones to gift them in the upcoming all the festivals. Namaskar and Vanakkam. I am Sandeep from Harita Sarees. In this video, I'm going to show you some really stunning saris which are beautiful, durable, lovely bright colors and apt for the festive giftings. In this, I'm going to show you a very beautiful fabric, Dhola silk. But these saris are artificial silk because we need to make them in an economical range which is best suited for gifting to your loved ones and dear ones. In this video, I'm going to show you two varieties, one with a contrast dyeing borders, another one with self colors. All these saris are woven silk saris and they are highly durable, very lightweight, drapes stunning and very soft and smooth. Let's see what we have in the collection. This is a lovely polka dot design woven, a rust color sari with a brown color contrast border, pallu and blouse. In this we have more than 15 colors. In this video I'm going to show you 6 to 7 colors. This one is a beautiful rust color, a unique combination, coffee brown with lemon green. This one is really a stunning combination. It's a peach color with a magenta contrast border, pallu and blouse. This one is a sea green with a purple combination in border, pallu and blouse. And this one is a purple with a lilac combination in border, blouse, pallu. It's a lilac shade with a lovely blouse. And the sari is in purple color. Next I'm going to show you another design in the contrast concept. This one is little bit more traditional, but the borders are really stunning, intricate woven. This one is a beautiful pink shade with a contrast bottle green border, a very rich pallu and a lovely contrast blouse in woven butta. We have colors in this around 15 to 18 colors, but in the video I'm going to show you 6 to 7 colors. This one is a reddish rust color with a black combination in the border and pallu. This one is really beautiful, very traditional. Mustard yellow with a green combination in the border, pallu and blouse. This one is a nice leafy green with a bottle green border, pallu and blouse combination. This one is a nice bright blue with a navy blue border, pallu and blouse combination. This one is a magenta combination with a bottle green pallu, blouse and border combination. Now I'm going to show you a monotone combination saris. In this we have two designs, one with a traditional check pattern, another one with a very contemporary design with a plain sari with a beautiful leaf woven design border and pallu. This one is the plain Dhola silk with a beautiful woven Zari border in the border. It's a leaf motif. It's got a lovely pallu and a beautiful blouse as well. The blouse is a heavy blouse. It's a brocade blouse. And we have around 18 colors in this also. This one is a lovely blue shade. This one is a nice pastel green shade. This one is my favorite. It's an onion pink shade. Very unique. This one is a perfect purple color shade. This one is a turquoise blue shade. And this one is a brownish mustard shade. Now I'm going to show you a checkered pattern in the same Dhola silk fabric. This one is an inspired design from a proper Kanjivaram silk sari. It's got a beautiful traditional Kanjivaram border with a nice small checkered pattern with a dollar booty weaving in Zari. It's got a very beautiful rich pallu. This one is a nice Rani pink shade. In this we have more than 15 colors. This one is a beautiful mustard shade. This one is a nice lime green shade. This one is a blue shade. This one is really beautiful. It's a proper red color which is not too bright also. A well balanced red color. And this one is a magenta shade. All these saris are washable, highly durable and doesn't require any maintenance. These are the best for your gifting options and you should have these kind of saris in your store, in your boutique or in your online store because this is the right time when the customers look for these economical range saris for their gifting purpose and for their self use as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel to watch more such videos. Thanks from Sandeep.